Right, I've got an excellent new piece of equipment to show today and do a bit of a review on, and it's a new headlamp and torch made by Skilhunt, and it's the Ho3 magnetic charging headlamp. So it comes in a nice box and a good set of instructions in English and Chinese. This is all the equipment that you actually get in the box. So you get the headlamp, the magnetic USB charging cable, the headlamp holder and strap, and then you get a wrist strap and also a belt clip. Plus you get spare O-rings and a rubber replacement part if you want to actually take out the magnet from this end here, if you're going to be holding it near mobile phones or credit cards or whatever. You can actually take that magnet out and replace it with this rubber disc. So the base end magnet is designed to actually stick to any steel metal surface like a knife or whatever in a tent, so you can have it standing up like that. But if that magnet, like I say, is detrimental to use, then you can actually replace it with that rubber disc. So from the start you can see that this is a multi-purpose torch headlamp kit. It's fully waterproof and it's of very high quality. So it has the latest Cree LED, which is the XM-L2 U4, and it has 1200 LED lumens brightness. And they say it's the highest performing commercially available single die LED. The body is made of rugged aluminium, very good quality anodizing type 3, and it has an impact resistance drop of 1 meter. On the instructions there's full description of how to put the headband together in pictures, so it's dead easy. Plus there's also a diagram here to show you how to replace the magnet in the back here with the rubber piece if you want to. The torch is charged using this USB cable. Just plug that one in. And then you simply put the magnet on the top of the torch, and it gives an LED light in the actual head of that charging magnet. Just switch that one on to show that it's charging. At the moment it's red. When it turns blue it's fully charged. And I think that's a really simple, neat design. It's really well made. You can see that by the actual connection there. And as soon as you offer it up to the torch, it will take its place naturally. The torch is controlled by one button on the side here, and it has 8 levels of brightness and 3 levels of strobe. So it's just a long press, it comes on, and then you can go through the various brightnesses like that, and then you can switch it off with a long press, and then if you hold the button in again when it's off, you can put it in lockout mode, and in lockout mode there's a LED on the side there, on the button there. You can see that flashing, and that's so you can actually find the torch easily in the dark and quickly pick it up and press that button for the light to come on. So there's 4 levels of brightness on that mode, and then if you do a quick press or a quick double press, I think it's from the off position, it goes into the super bright mode, and that has 4 different levels. And it memorises the last setting, whether it's in the low range of light when you actually turn it off, or the high range. When you turn it back on, it'll be in one of those ranges. And in those ranges on the specifications, it gives the actual lumens and how many hours the battery will last on that particular setting. And from the off position, if you give it 3 very quick presses, it goes into the strobe mode. Plus it also has a function so that when you actually turn it off, whatever state it was turned off in, it will come on in that state. So if I have the high brightness on this one and then press the button to turn it off, as soon as I turn it back on again, it will come back on to the high brightness. So it makes it quick and easy and memorised actually in the unit. Plus it also has the LED comes on flashing if it needs to be charged. So when the voltage drops below 3.3 volts, the indicator flashes twice every 10 seconds, and then if it drops below 3 volts, the indicator flashes 3 times every 10 seconds. So that's an excellent function to have. And it's dead easy and quick to actually fit it into the headband. The headband's designed so you can actually adjust it to go on your head, or you can actually adjust it to go onto a helmet, like a bicycle helmet or whatever. And like I say, it's dead easy just to put these silicone straps over the torch or the headlight. Twist it in position, but it's also easy just to quickly take out and use as a torch again if you want to. And in use it's nice and lightweight, it's not bulky, and it's easy to wear for long periods of time. It's an excellent piece of kit and I'm really pleased with it.